In this video, I will show you how to export contacts from Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's confirmed, I want you to scroll to the right sidebar, and on this sidebar, you're going to scroll to the bottom till you see contacts. Click on contacts, then click on this small arrow that says open a new tab. Once that's opened, now you have the choice to either export a specific contact, or you can export all contacts. To export a specific contact, you can click here, and once you click here, you're going to see these three dots here. Click on the specific contact, see the three dots here, and you can export. To export multiple contacts, you can just go to this arrow here that says export, click on it, and it's going to give you all of your contacts and ask you what you want to export as a CSV file, CSV for Outlook, or VCAD for Android. And once you click on export, it's going to export all your contacts. Now that's how you export contacts in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.